So we have discussed that AI has developed long back. It is not new technologies, and technologies like machine learning, data mining, cognitive research, along with AI-based systems like expert systems, fuzzy logic systems have been around for decades. So we have discussed that AI started in the year 1943 itself. Yes or no? So during last five decades, there have been evolution of AI, which is evident. So evolution of AI, we have seen in IBM's Deep Blue. Okay, so it is built in the year 1997. After that, we have the um, automatic vacuum cleaner called iRobot, that is Roomba, also created. Okay, even then it was, however, if you see that during last decade, the performance of AI is improved to extent that enable their practical deployment and adaptation. Okay, till then, because last decade, from last decade itself, we are able to see the AI involvement in most of the areas. So this is because of following factors. The first one is abundance in computing power. Okay. So if you see that from the last decade, we can see that the computers, the are we have the computers with the highest, which is operating at a very fast phase compared to the computers which we were having 20 years ago. Okay, so because of that, what happens, the in AI we need to process very large data, and we have to implement very large algorithms. Okay, so if you operate that with a computer which is operating with a low speed, it takes more days. Okay, so since the computers are having higher faster computers are operating at faster rate, so that we can implement AI algorithms in many applications. So this is one of the reason why AI has improved last decade. Okay, so because of abundance computing power. The second one is rapidly declining storage cost. Okay, so if you see that the storage cost is reduced compared to the storage cost in the previous cases. Here, whenever we are implementing any system with AI, it has to store more data. Then only it can act intelligently. Otherwise, it cannot act intelligently. Storage is very important for designing AI systems. Okay. So now since the storage cost is reducing, we can use more storage devices, more storage place for implementing AI algorithms. So that, yeah, because AI algorithms will be having deep learning technology, so because of that it is able to learn every time. Yes or no? So whatever it learns, it has to store. So for storage, it requires storage. So since the storage cost is reducing, we can implement AI easily nowadays. The third one is surge in data availability. So now in the previous cases, the data availability is very less because very few systems are connected to internet, and now because of the rise of social media, the users connected to internet also increases, so that the more data is generated, user generated data is more, so the data availability is more. So that is why we can use this data sets to train the AI system. That is one more important point why AI is increased. And the other one is the increase in AI related investments. Before, the investment on AI is very less. Because of that, we have two winters of AI where the investment is very less. The AI is not at all improved during those times. Okay. Now, since AI investment is more, so that what happens, we are getting more companies are working on AI, so that more companies are releasing new equipments which are operating with AI. Okay, so these are the 4 points why AI is improving now. So the first one is abundance in computing power. The second one is rapidly declining storage cost. The third one is surge in data availability, and fourth thing is in increased investments in AI. Okay, so these are the four points why AI is now